Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Generator Skills Impact Series interview. And I'm Ann Nadel. I'm our Vice President of the Generator Skills Program. And I'm really excited to welcome Bryan to our conversation today. Hey, Bryan.
Hello. How's it
How's
going?
your day going so far?
That's good. Things are good.
Good. And we are really excited to feature you on our conversation today. And let's just jump right into it. Can you kind of introduce yourself and tell us a little bit about your background and where you're located?
Yeah, I'm Bryan Badley. I'm based out of Cheyenne, Wyoming. Most of my background's been in residential and commercial property maintenance. A lot of my work involves troubleshooting mechanical failures, maintaining facilities, keeping systems running smoothly. Over time, I realized I enjoyed the technical infrastructure side of facility work, and which has led me to pursue opportunities in the data center maintenance. I like environments where reliability matters and where problem solving and preventive maintenance makes a real difference.
That's amazing. And it sounds like the work that you do is incredibly important, like I said, to the infrastructure that you're talking about. So thank you for all of that work that you're doing. Talk to us a little bit about why you decided to join the Skills Accelerator.
Well, what stood out to me about the Skills Accelerator was the combination of structured learning and coaching and career support. And I liked not just the coursework, but also that participants connected together, and there was after program support for career opportunities.
Absolutely. And when did you go through the program?
I think I went through just at the tail end of last year. No, that can't be right. The beginning of last year.
Gotcha. Okay, so early 2025.
Yeah, yep. I
Okay.
think that's right.
Well, I'm happy to hear that you've had continued alumni support because that is definitely one of the pillars of our program. That no matter when our graduates complete their programming, we as a team are always here to support you as you move through your careers.
Mhm.
So, talk to us a little bit about the experience that you had in the Skills Accelerator, kind of from the coursework to the coaching that you had, any challenges that you had over the time that you were in the program, and any wins.
Okay. So I think it was a really good experience. I liked being involved with other people, and I had a really interesting coach who lives in Spain. Um, and so, I mean, it required a little bit of, life balance and commitment to doing the training every day. Coaching sessions were once a week, and then there were some opportunities to connect with guest speakers and other participants in the program.
Great. And what did you think from the Skills Accelerator helped you the most with what you were looking to do after the program?
The biggest thing for me was the technical training it provided me. It helped build a little bit of confidence and clarity about directions that I want to go in my career.
Gotcha.
Reinforced some of the technical problem solving skills that I already had, but gave me a little better understanding of this specific career field that I'm trying to translate into.
Gotcha. And you took the IT fundamentals, so you were also took the CompTIA Tech Plus exam. Is that accurate?
Yeah. Yep.
Okay,
So
great.
it's
Well, congratulations on passing the
yeah.
exam too. That's not easy.
Yeah. Thank you.
And what's your current status? Where are you currently working, and how has the program kind of supported that work?
So I'm currently working in a data center, and so this gave me the technical know-how to combine my maintenance experience with the technological side of a data center and the needs that that provided.
Wow. And so essentially, you took the experience that you had previously from the facilitators management work and then coupled it with the IT training, and now you have landed a role in a data center, which was your goal initially.
Yeah. Yep.
That is awesome. We love to hear those stories about someone who kind of comes in with previous experience but wants to make a transition. And then not only are they able to take the training and actually pass the exams, but secure a role in that space. So, again, congratulations. We're really excited to continue supporting and celebrating you with that. What
Yeah. Thank you.
advice would you give to anyone else who's thinking about joining a program like ours?
My biggest advice would be to treat it like an opportunity to commit fully. The more effort you put into the program, really, the more you get out of it. I also recommend taking advantage of some of the networking opportunities and the guest speakers that come through. Those are really valuable things that are offered through the program.
Got it. And what would you say was your favorite part of our program?
I really like my coach, Trey. He's great. He's a really good guy.
Oh,
Um,
I love that.
so him and I did a lot of work together. So I shout out to Trey.
Fantastic. We love to hear that the favorite part of your program is the individuals that you connect with on our team.
Yeah.
One of the again pillars of our program is making sure that we're supporting individuals and meeting them where they are and helping kind of bridge the gap to the places that they want to get to. And all of that is really done human to human. So you and Trey working together and making sure that we are able to provide that level of support. And the fact that you were able to do that, and then also to have a good working relationship with our coaches is really exciting too. So Trey is amazing, as well as all of our program managers. But I'm just really happy to hear that. And if you could make one ask for our audience today, what would that be?
My ask would be for people in the industry to keep supporting programs like this. Stay open to candidates who are bringing transferable skills from other fields. There's a lot of people out there with strong work ethic and practical experience. They just need the opportunity to find the right pathways and trainings to transition into new industries.
That is a fantastic thing to say, and thank you so much. It's one of the things that we as a team also are spending a significant amount of time on, whether it be with different workforce development boards or honestly other political entities that do support work like this. And to hear directly from a participant like you who's saying, these training programs actually do work and support the things that we're trying to move forward, just again helps us provide these services to as many people as we can. So thank you for sharing that. And again, thank you so much for your time today, as well as your participation in our program. We are excited to continue watching you and seeing how you develop in your career. And as always, our team will be here to provide support anytime that you need it.
All right. Well, thank you so much, Anna.
Okay, thanks, Brian. We'll speak to you soon.
All right.